Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to install Kotatsu app on Android. So right here is my Play Store app. So if you look at it, you see that I can't find Kotatsu app. In order to find it, you just go to your browser. For this video, I'll be making use of my Chrome browser. So just type in Kotatsu APK latest version. So you just click on this first link here. So you just click on you can see get the latest version. So click on it, in the download icon close to it, and click on the download now. So you just click on download anyway. So you click on the open option. In order to install it, click on the install option and install it on your device. Click on the open option here. So from here, you can now set it up the way you want it to look like. Select the official language you want to work with it. So just select it and now make use of it. So guys, that is it on how to install Kotatsu app on Android. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.